as non-bullous impetigo, then you are right. Okay, so please remember, impetigo, it is a superficial bacterial infection. It is of two types. It can be non-bullous impetigo or it can be a bullous form. So non-bullous impetigo is the most common of all the types of impetigo, and this is also called as impetigo contagiosa. Why? Because this easily spreads from one child to the another child. Okay, so it is called as impetigo contagiosa. And the other variant, it is called as bullous impetigo. It is, few books it is mentioned as pemphigus neonatorum. Why? Because this has the bullous lesions in the children. Okay, and there is a slight difference between the causative organisms. So the non-bullous form, it can be both due to strep as well as staph, whereas the bullous form, it is only caused by staphylococcus aureus. Okay, and this causative organisms is important to be remembered. Why? Because this streptococcal component in the non-bullous impetigo, it is responsible for causing one complication in non-bullous impetigo. So any of you, if you know what is that complication, please do comment in the comment section under this video. Okay, I will check out whatever comment you give, and I will give a like if you have answered it right, and also I will reply to your comment. So in this non-bullous impetigo, please remember the buzzword which is very very important is, in the child, if a perinasal or perioral area is given in the image, and if it is showing honey colored crust, honey colored golden brown crust, then our diagnosis is going to be a non-bullous impetigo. Okay, so there is a slight difference between this crust color in non-bullous impetigo. In bullous impetigo, the color of the crust is going to be varnish crust. So this was not asked till now, but there is a high chance that this will be repeated now. Okay, question. So please try to reply, comment what is that complication which is seen in non-bullous impetigo. In fact, this is a very very important FMGE previous year question also. Okay.